So I have a Maytag Neptune dryer that's about 10 to 12 years old. Started to make a lot of vibration and noise, louder than usual. So I decided to pull it apart and to give it a proper cleaning. Let me show you where I started. This back panel does not need to be removed, but I did take this one off. There were some screws here, and that led to this part, right, which went all the way through to the blower motor in front of the unit. So I took that off, cleaned this, cleaned all inside there. There's a lot of lint. And then to get the top cover off, all I needed to do was take this bolt off and this one off. It was these screws, right? And as you can see, there's lint inside of it. Then to take the front cover off, I had to take this display off first, the controls. So there's a screw here and here, and there's one in this corner and one in this corner. Alright, and then you can lift it up and just put it aside. Then in the front, I had to take this off. So it came off from the front here. So this has a reversible door. So the latch was here, so I took this off. I took this bolt and this one off. Same on the other side. The door hinge was on this side, so I took this one off and this on here, and the door, this whole panel could come off. But actually no, you have to take, when you remove the control panel, then you see this screw here and this screw here and this one and this one. So only after you take all of these off, these 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there's 2 down here, 9, 10. Then you could just lift the panel and it comes right off. As you can see, this one also needs some cleaning. Alright, while you're in here, have a look at the belt. It's pretty tight. I did buy a replacement belt from Appliance Part Pros. I'm not sure if I need to change it. It seems pretty rigid. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take this cover off with these screws, and I'm going to clean the blower inside. I'll be right back. Okay, so I took out 3 screws. 1, 2, and 3. And then this is just like a friction fit. Just pull it down. It comes off. Let's see what inside looks like. Yep, it needs to be cleaned. Have a look at the blower. This is what I was afraid I was going to see. See, it looks like a dryer sheet probably. So I'm going to clean all of this out and clean over here. I have a central vacuum. I'll just clean as much as I can and then reassemble, and I think that should be it. Should be good to go. I wouldn't bore you. So put this one, put that one, and this one. Alright, so this is on. Now we're going to take the front cover and hang it on these. 1, 2, 3. And then secure it all around. Don't forget to put this clip back on. This is the sensor for if the door is open or closed. Alright, and then secure it with a screw here. One in that corner, 2 on the other side, and so on. Okay, so the 4 are on. 3, 4. Then I put these 2. And I put the door closer on. I'm going to leave the door off because I have limited space to work to install it. So this will save me 2 inches of space with the thickness of the door. I'll just put this on when I'm done. So now I'm going to put the cover on next. So the controller just has a slot here, and it goes in this slot as well as this one, and same on the other side. And then you just anchor it with the 4 screws on top. So here we go, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, now we put the cover on and we secure it with the 2 screws in the back. 1, 2. Okay, these screws are different. These are blackhead screws, so remember to keep them separate from the rest of the screws. Alright, generally these screws are pretty much the same throughout. Just the door screws are different. So these are self-tapping, the door screws are not. So yeah, that's it. Time to put it back together. If this helped you, let me know, put a like. Any comments, let me know as well. This, regular maintenance is what you need to keep these machines running. Alright, keep it going for a couple more years.